This is the only one reason why you're not making money online, and I'm going to show you how to resolve it. 5 years ago, I head onto YouTube to search for how to make money online, and I came across a lot of methods on how to make money online, ranging from affiliate marketing, dropshipping, copywriting, YouTube, blogging, cryptocurrency, stock market, and several other means on how to make money online. And that was when my conversion started. I was confused because I didn't know the particular method of making money online that I should go with. So after watching a lot of videos and learning a lot of skills, I was ready to get started with YouTube, affiliate marketing, and blogging. So these 3 glass cups with red line on them represents YouTube, affiliate marketing, and blogging, and this particular cup represents my energy level. But for me to start making money with any of these methods, I have to reach this energy level represented by the red lines. But then, this was all the energy I've got. Therefore, I went ahead to share all the energy I've got with these 3 cups. I gave some to blogging, I gave some to affiliate marketing, and then finally I gave some to YouTube. But then, you see that I was stuck here because none of the energy has reached the level to pick the momentum that the particular method will start making money for me. And here I was stuck because I couldn't reach the energy level of YouTube to start making money. I couldn't reach the energy level of blogging to start making money. And also I couldn't reach the energy level of affiliate marketing to start making money. And then depression set in and I decided to quit because I was not making money with it and I didn't know what to do. But because I didn't want to be kicked out of my apartment by my landlord, I decided to get a 9-to-5 job and I started working hard, and I didn't have time for any of these online methods again. And then I abandoned all of them and focused on my 9-to-5 job because I felt it was more secure and safe. So one fateful day I came back to my drawing table again and I decided to figure out where I got it wrong. What exactly can I do to get this right? And then I realized that for me to start making money with any of these methods, I have to hit the energy level before I can start making money with it. At this point, I had to make a choice of selecting one and then draining the energy from the others. And then I came up with a master plan. I decided to drain the energy from blogging and give it to YouTube. And also, I decided to drain the energy from affiliate marketing and give it to YouTube. So at this point, my YouTube energy level has hit the momentum and then it has started generating money for me. So now that I've gotten one of the methods on track and generating money for me, I didn't want to let go of these particular skills that I've learned, my blogging skills and my affiliate marketing skills. So I have to develop a way to join all of them together to start making more money for me. So I took my affiliate links and introduced them in my YouTube videos in the description. And also I took my YouTube video transcripts and published them in my blog, and in that way I can make money from affiliate marketing, blogging, and also YouTube. This is where majority get it wrong because there are so many noise out there on the different methods on how to make money online. So you have to filter them out properly to realize the one that is best for you. So the only solution for you to start making money online is for you to go back to your drawing board and figure out the particular method that you have passion for, and then give it all your energy, your strength. Start making money online, after which you can introduce the other skills you have learned to expand. Okay, now give me my energy back. So now that you have identified and selected the only one method you need to focus on to make money online, watch this next video on the only one decision you need to make to secure your financial future. See you there. Bye.